Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to chat with a human customer support in Sportybet. To do that, open the app, click on Me at the bottom right corner, click on Customer Service. It's going to give you these options. Click on Bet and Cash Out. Now click on My bet is unsettled. Click on Contact Support. It's going to tell you no transaction found, or it may show all your bet options. Just click on Proceed. Here on this box, click on Customer Service. Click on Proceed. It's going to give you an option to live chat, call, or open request. Click on Live Chat. It will now connect you to a human customer service. Just have to wait for 2 seconds. As you can see right here, it has connected me to a human customer support. It says, "Great to have you on chat. How can I help you?" So that's how you connect to a human customer support in Sportybet. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.